Welcome to the StoCreative Brick demonstration video. StoCreative Brick is a decorative wall finish system that can be used over any prepared surface such as StoTherm EIFS, StoPowerwall Stucco, StoQuicksilver, Tilt-Up, and CMU. StoTherm Next EIFS is the wall system most commonly used due to the ability to level the wall system. Some key benefits when used with StoTherm Next EIFS include lower structural costs due to a cladding weight of less than 2 pounds per square foot, continuous insulation, and integrated waterproof air barrier. Coming up, you will learn how to properly apply StoCreative Brick. Install StoPrimer Creative 806 over Sto Base Coat. StoPrimer Creative is not a traditional primer. It is designed to be exposed to weather to replicate the color and texture of mortar joints. Apply the StoCreative Brick stencil to the dry primer. For this demonstration, we will use our most popular stencil, New York Brick 3/8 inch. Properly laying out the stencil will enhance the overall look of the brick. The goal is to make it look like a brick layer having mortar joints line up with windows, doors, and other details just as brick would. After the stencil is applied, go over it with either a seam roller or a paint roller with a PVC sleeve. A trowel may also be used, but use caution as to not tear the stencil. In order to hold the individual stencils together, use a 3/8 inch filament tape to secure them. Apply the finish with the color desired. Most any Sto finish can be used with the stencil pattern. For this demonstration, we are showing a smooth brick texture by using StoLit Freeform. When applying the finish, trowel it in 4 directions, up and down, then left to right. This will ensure that the stencil cells are completely filled. After the cell is completely filled, trowel horizontally along the mortar joints. Be cautious to position the trowel so that all trowel lines fall on the mortar joints. Allow the finish to dry 10 to 15 minutes depending on weather conditions. Take a damp, soft sponge and lightly sponge float over the surface to remove any large irregularities. Allow the finish to dry for 24 hours. When the finish is completely dry, aesthetic touches to enhance and alter the color of the brick can be done. Remove StoCreative Brick stencils, taking care to avoid tearing off the finish. The stencils should be discarded as they are good for one-time use. Thank you for watching the StoCreative Brick demonstration video. For more information, you can visit www.stocorp.com.